Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a wavy text in the app IBIS PAINT X. So for that I am going to use the text tool and create the text. So here I am going to use the text wavy text. So I am typing wavy text here. You can adjust the size using the size option here. Place the value. Place it at the center of the canvas like this by dragging, and yeah, we got the text, and I'm just going to duplicate this layer, and in the duplicated layer I'm going to rasterize so that I can do anything further on that layer. Without rasterizing we cannot do anything on the text layer. So now using the perspective form I'm going to make the text little bit taller, just dragging the anchor point at the top and bottom so that we get wider text like this. And using the mesh tool in the transform I'm going to do the wavy text now. So for that you can see, if I increase the division x value, the number of anchor points at the vertical line increases. So the vertical line is division x and horizontal line is division y. So here I'm going to increase the division y, which means horizontal value, and keeping the division x, which means the vertical value, to 1. So we get the wavy shape easily. So now just drag down the anchor point like this. You can create any shape using this, but here I'm going to tell you how to make wavy text. So I'm going to create the wavy shape here. So just adjust the anchor points like this. You can also try something like this based on the shape you want. You can drag wherever you want inside the canvas, so you can try different. Now I made a wavy shape, and if you want to make any changes in the division x, you can try by increasing the division x value and dragging the anchor points like this. But for me it looks perfect, so I didn't make much variations in that. And click on this tick. Don't forget to click on the tick, otherwise it will not be saved. Now I got the wavy text. So this is how you can create the wavy text easily. So now I made this text effect in a small text. What it will look like if it is a big sentence. So for that I'm going to give another example here. So I'm typing, hello my dear subscribers. Usually I'm not that much fancy about the text, so I didn't do any fancy editings here. Just going to keep it simple and tell you the technique. So I just typed hello my dear subscribers, and in the same way I'm going to do this. Now just rasterize this text layer, and yeah, this is the text layer. Rasterize, click on the yes. Now click on the transform, go to mesh transform. I'm not going to make the text taller here, so just going straight to the mesh transform, and you can see if I increase the x division value, the number of anchor points at the vertical level increases, but I'm keeping the x value at 1 and increasing the y value to 7 or 8 based on the amount of waves you want. Now I just adjust the anchor points and made it wavy like this. Now you can try increasing the division x value and adjust, but I feel it's perfect now. Yeah, now it's ready. You can save this. Also, if you want to move it, we can move in the transform tool. Now it's done. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial and learned something new from me. If so, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out all other videos from my channel. Thank you.